What is up to all my drunks across America under quarantine? Or most of us are under quarantine. Some of us still have jobs to go to. I'm waiting to go back to mine. But for now, I'll make some breakfast tacos for you guys. I got some flat meat, some asada, some carne asada. Basically just gonna season that with salt, pepper, garlic. Got some chorizo right here. Pork chorizo, it's gonna render down in the pan when I cook it. I'm gonna give a good flavor to the eggs that I'm using. So I'm using 4 eggs that I'm gonna scramble. And this is pretty greasy stuff, so you don't wanna use too much. I mean, you could use half of this if you want a full-on heart attack. But I'm using about 1/4 of it. And then I'm gonna saute down some serrano peppers and some onions in the pan while I scramble the eggs. And then sear off the meat. And while the meat is resting, then I'm gonna cook the eggs. So, pretty straightforward. It's not gonna take long at all. So check it out, guys. Here we go. All right, so I've got the salt, pepper, garlic. I'm just gonna do a light sprinkle over this and season it up. And then you can see the grains of meat, how it's running left to right or right to left. So I'm just gonna sear it in the pan like that. But then if you want smaller pieces, just cut it in half and kind of like cut it down like that. However you want to do it. Figure it out as I go. Or if you wanted to just dice it up into small pieces, you could do that too. But it's up to you. I'm just gonna dry this off so I can get a good sear on the meat. Then season it up. All right, so for the 4 eggs, I'm using half of an onion diced up, and I got 3 serrano chilies. All right, so there's a lot of debate out there on the internets about salting your eggs before you scramble them, because a lot of people watch Gordon Ramsay and see him talk shit. They say it changes the protein structure in the eggs or something like that. But my answer to that is, who gives a shit? Just do it how you want. There it is, guys. Super good tacos. Taste as good as they look. All right, so I was thinking during this time while I'm on lockdown, just like everybody else, I was probably gonna try to fit in some different kind of videos just for now. Like, I don't want to turn into like a Las Vegas channel or nothing like that, but downtown looks like a ghost town, and the strip looks pretty crazy because I've been down there a couple times. So maybe I'll just get some random footage and put it on the channel, see what you guys think. I mean, I know for a lot of people it's boring, they don't care about it, but there are some people out there that want to see it. So there it is, guys. Easy quarantine tacos. Got the smoky chorizo and the eggs with the serranos and the onions, with a little bit of cotija and some salsa, and then that asada just sliced up on there. I never know what I'm gonna make next, so I'll figure it out. Peace out, guys. Have a good one.